Lesson: Exercising and auditing data subject rights. Exercising and auditing data subject rights is an essential component of modern data privacy and protection frameworks. It empowers individuals by giving them control over their personal data and ensures that organizations comply with global data protection regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union. These rights include access, rectification, erasure, restriction of processing, data portability, objection, and rights related to automated decision-making. For professionals tasked with ensuring compliance, understanding how to effectively exercise and audit these rights is crucial. One of the first actionable insights for professionals is to develop a comprehensive understanding of each data subject right. The right of access, for instance, allows individuals to obtain confirmation as to whether personal data concerning them is being processed, and if so, access to the personal data and relevant information about the processing. Implementing this right requires organizations to establish procedures for verifying the identity of the data subject, locating the data, and delivering the information in a user-friendly format. A practical tool that can be employed is a data subject access request management system. These systems automate the receipt, processing, and response to access requests, thereby reducing manual workload and increasing accuracy. To effectively audit the exercise of data subject rights, organizations should adopt a framework that includes policy review, process evaluation, and outcome assessment. The policy review ensures that the organization's data protection policies align with legal requirements and best practices. Process evaluation examines how these policies are operationalized within the organization, focusing on areas such as employee training, technology usage, and communication strategies. Outcome assessment measures how well the organization is meeting its obligations, based on metrics such as the number of requests received, response times, and satisfaction ratings from data subjects. A case study that highlights the importance of auditing data subject rights involved a multinational corporation fined by a data protection authority for failing to adequately respond to access requests within the statutory timeframe. The audit revealed that the delays were due to a lack of standardized procedures across its various subsidiaries. By implementing a centralized DSAR management system and providing comprehensive training to its staff, the corporation was able to streamline its processes and significantly improve its compliance. The right to rectification allows individuals to have inaccurate personal data corrected. Organizations need to establish a clear process for individuals to submit rectification requests and for the organization to assess and implement corrections. Practical tools such as online portals where data subjects can submit requests and track their status can enhance transparency and efficiency. Furthermore, integrating rectification processes with customer relationship management systems ensures that updated information is consistently applied across all organizational domains. The right to erasure, or the right to be forgotten, poses significant challenges for organizations, particularly in identifying all instances of personal data across complex IT systems. A step-by-step application involves data mapping to locate data across systems, categorizing data based on retention policies, and implementing technical measures to delete or anonymize data. Data loss prevention tools can aid in this process by identifying and managing data according to predefined rules, thus supporting compliance efforts. The right to restrict processing and the right to data portability require organizations to have adaptable processes that can respond to these requests without disrupting business operations. For instance, the right to data portability allows individuals to receive their personal data in a structured, commonly used, and machine-readable format, and to transmit this data to another controller. Organizations can utilize standard data formats such as XML or JSON to facilitate portability and ensure interoperability with other systems. Objection to processing, particularly for direct marketing purposes, requires organizations to maintain robust opt-out mechanisms. Implementing preference management tools that allow data subjects to specify their communication preferences and automatically applying these preferences across all marketing activities can prevent unauthorized processing and enhance trust. Automated decision-making and profiling are areas where data subjects have specific rights to not be subject to decisions based solely on automated processing. Organizations must ensure transparency in their algorithmic decision-making processes and provide meaningful information about the logic involved. Regular audits of these systems can help ensure that biases are identified and mitigated, safeguarding the rights of data subjects. One notable example demonstrating the importance of these rights is the case involving a European bank that was scrutinized for its automated credit scoring system. The audit revealed that the system lacked transparency and failed to provide adequate explanations to data subjects. As a result, the bank revised its processes to include detailed explanations and human intervention in decision-making, enhancing its compliance and customer trust. Professionals must also consider the global nature of data subject rights. Different jurisdictions may have varying requirements, and organizations operating across borders must ensure compliance with each region's specific regulations. This necessitates a thorough understanding of international data protection laws and the ability to adapt processes accordingly. Statistics show that organizations with well-implemented data subject rights frameworks experience fewer compliance breaches and higher customer satisfaction. A study found that companies with automated processes for managing data subject rights requests reported a 30% reduction in processing time and a 25% increase in customer satisfaction. These figures underscore the importance of leveraging technology and structured processes to manage data subject rights effectively. In conclusion, exercising and auditing data subject rights involves a multifaceted approach that combines legal understanding, process optimization, and technology implementation. By adopting practical tools such as DSAR management systems, CRM integration, and DLP tools, organizations can streamline their processes and ensure compliance. Regular audits guided by comprehensive frameworks help identify areas for improvement and align organizational practices with legal requirements. Real-world cases and statistics demonstrate the tangible benefits of effective data subject rights management, emphasizing the necessity for professionals to master this critical aspect of data privacy and protection.